set all things under my feet. You have made me a little less than angels, even if I fly often away. As I sing my heart's thanksgiving, and my eyes look heavenward, how the stars